Well, when I was at Costco the other day, I happened to notice the spring pastry collection. They looked a little something different than what I'm used to seeing, so I thought I would buy it and just see what it had in it. The box was beautiful, and I was hoping something beautiful would be inside. And oh, I was correct. Look at the beautiful pastries it had. A little pig, a little rabbit, something a little different to go on top of my beautiful new Mackenzie Child plates. And look at the beautiful flowers that it also came with. Are they not beautiful? And they would look beautiful on those plates also, since they have a beautiful floral pattern. What do you think? I thought they turned out really nice. I thought I'd use these plates to go along with my lemon themed glasses because it looked like lemons scattered all about the plates, all the yellow dots. And I loved all my Mackenzie inspired pieces to go with it too. I thought everything worked together. You know, that's a great thing about doing displays like this. You never know how they're going to turn out. You can only hope for the best. I got the beautiful white chargers at Hobby Lobby a week or so ago. And of course, the plates I've had for some time, they're inspired plates for Mackenzie Child. But they are beautiful, are they not? And of course, I also bought the beautiful saucer at the same time. And of course, I do have a real Mackenzie Child's teapot or kettle, whatever you want to call it. It goes beautiful with the Mackenzie styled candle holders. Don't they match beautifully? If you look around, you can put some really good expensive pieces with some less expensive, and they look so beautiful together. And of course, you know Grandma loves sharing her beautiful miniature pieces. So I put the beautiful tree on the centerpiece and thought it looked very nice. And of course, the beautiful flowers and the butterfly. I love to put a little whimsy in everything I do. And of course, I had the beautiful doilies also. They were very nice to use, and they match perfectly. So what do you think? I think everything was pretty balanced. And of course, I love those beautiful gel looking, I'm not quite sure what they are, cookies or what. I haven't eaten them yet. I probably should bite into them and tell you how they taste. But they do look visually beautiful, and they go so well with the flowers I used and with everything that was on display. And of course, I love my beautiful tree with the little accessories all about. And here is my beautiful, beautiful plates that I got. And these salad plates are Mackenzie Child's plates. Are they not gorgeous? They just make the whole table so beautiful, along with the beautiful teapot. That's the best thing about Mackenzie Child pieces. They always make everything pop off the table. I always enjoy sharing what I find. I hope you enjoy it also. I hope you enjoy this beautiful tablescape I put together today with a lot of whimsy. What was your favorite piece did you enjoy? What did you think about the pastries that I got at Costco? Were you impressed by them or not? And of course, my tree. Is he not beautiful? He looks so full of wisdom and care. And then, of course, the beautiful Mackenzie Child salad plates that pop right off that table. And the cute little pastry are so cute on it, are they not? I just love the little pig and the little rabbit. A little bit of whimsy, even in the food. You know how Grandma loves to share you all the little things that she finds that look different and cute. Well, let me know what was your favorite item on this tablescape. Was it the pastries, the beautiful new plates from Mackenzie Child, Or, of course, my beautiful kettle. Or was it my beautiful tree from my miniature garden? Oh, Grandma always has so many beautiful things to always share with you. I know you always say such kind words about everything I share. I hope to have some more new Mackenzie Child pieces to share in another week or so. Oh, Grandma loves to share her beautiful Mackenzie Child pieces. They are so beautiful. And all the beautiful inspired pieces set off the table so well too. What do you think, my awesome friends? What was your favorite? Please leave it in the comments section. And I hope you also enjoyed all the beautiful florals I used in this arrangement too. Oh, I loved it so. And those pastries did look good, didn't they? They make my mouth water. I hope they taste as good as they look. I hope you enjoyed this display I put together today. We enjoyed putting it together for you. Now, I did get a few different things. Thought I would change things up a little. I added a few more lemons to this display and some lemon pound cake. Doesn't it look good? Now the pound cake I have eaten, and now the room just smells of lemon from that pound cake. It is just beautiful. Let me know what you thought, if you like the little flowers, cookies, or if you like the beautiful lemon pound cake the most. I put some lemons on the table also to bring more of the lemon theme in. Just changing a few things out does make a huge difference on a display. What do you think? I took the little cookies away and made it just for lemons. So this is more of just a lemon theme that is on here now. Let me know which one you like the better. Do you like just the lemon theme, or did you like the more of an Asian dessert theme? I thought they both looked beautiful, but it's nice with just a few little changes what you can come up with something different. You know, Grandma always likes to share and show you different little things you can do just by changing a few little items out, how much different a table setting can look. You had a little Asian look, and now you have more an American look. That beautiful lemon pound cake. It was so good and yummy. Hope you enjoyed this post. Hope you enjoyed seeing two different versions by just changing a few things out, adding a few more lemons and adding some lemon pound cake, the difference. Let me know which you like the best.